How to delete backup photos from Google account. Hi everybody. If you're wanting to do that, you may follow this step. So, usually when you back up your photos, it will be automatically saved on Google Photos. So you may open up the app. And after opening up the app, you should be finding all of the photos that you have backed up. So if you don't want to back up, what you can do is simply tap on your profile at the top. And here, you will be having an option called turn off backup. Right now I have turned on. All you gotta do is simply tap on turn off from that. Once you've tapped on it, you will be finding the photos that are already backed up on your screen. All you gotta do is simply long press on the photo and select the pictures that you would like to delete from the back of photos. After that, tap on the pen icon in the middle of the screen in the bottom. And once you do, you need to allow photos to move this photo to pen. Tap on allow. And once you do that, this photo will be deleted from your device, including the backup as well. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to delete your backup photos from Google account. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.